ine-expect natin na kukuha yan dito ng bounce. Yung 1.1149 na yan. So, tinake profit natin, nag-trigger order tayo dito ng exit. Trigger exit tayo. No, ng 1.1146 pa yan. Kaya, from here, take note nyo, no, confirmation of candle, right? Up until that particular take profit because of this Osher area, old Oras area, no, old resistance acting as a support. Take profit tayo dyan. Therefore, kumagat yung kumagat is 1.1152. Doon tayo kumuha ng take profit. Kaya mapapansin nyo, sa area na to, yung yellow line was higher than this neckline kasi mas mataas yung kinuha natin. Alright, pangalawa, itong neckline na to, importante to. So, ang ginawa ni Coach Miranda, kung babalikan nyo mabuti yung chart. So, basically, meron na siyang ginawang, listen carefully, ito yung continuation play natin. So, meron na siyang tinatawag nating, okay, i-type sa comment kung anong tawag dito. Dapat alam natin. Kung hindi, it's okay. No? Ano pong tawag dito? Ano pong tawag dyan? Okay, trade play number 2 tayo. Okay, ano pong tawag dito? Comment down below sa comment section. Na-trade daw niya yung Kaito, 300%. Congrats. Ano pong tawag dito, Kamiranda? What do you think? Correct. This is double top, no? Congrats. Right. So double top yan. Therefore, this becomes a neckline. This becomes a neckline. Pero si Coach, safe lang tayo. 'Di ba? Safe lang tayo. Kinuha nating take profit. Yung pangalawang entry point naman natin, i-replay ko lang kasi umaangat na siya, no? Para makita ninyo. Yung pangalawang entry natin, ayan. So makita mo, right? If you're going to notice, yung pangalawang entrada po natin is what you call a tabo, no? A tabo, which means dapat gagawa siya ng tinatawag nating neckline. And that neckline